If your vehicle is showing a U0073 code, in this video I'll explain what it means and how you can go about fixing it. What is a U0073 code? It stands for Control Module Communication Bus A off. In simple terms, modern vehicles use multiple computer modules: the engine control module, the transmission control module, the ABS module, and others. All of these modules need to communicate with each other and with the main computer for the vehicle to operate correctly. When you get a U0073 code, it means the main computer has detected a communication problem somewhere in that network. One thing to keep in mind is that this code can be tricky to diagnose, since it's often related to wiring or connection issues between modules. Tracking that down can take some patience. Possible causes of a U0073 code. The first thing to check is your fuses. Make sure none are blown, especially those connected to the control modules, like anything labeled ECM, PCM, TCM, or ECU. The exact fuses and their locations will depend on your vehicle's year, make, and model. But start here to rule out an easy fix before moving on to more complicated possibilities. The next thing to check is your battery and charging system. All of the computer modules in the vehicle depend on a stable power supply to function properly. If the battery is weak or the alternator isn't charging correctly, it can cause communication problems and trigger a U0073 code. So, make sure the battery is fully charged and that there are no charging issues. Another possible cause is a wiring problem somewhere in the harness that connects the control modules. These can be tricky to track down. Sometimes it's as simple as a connector that has come loose and just needs to be reseated. Other times, contaminants like oil or transmission fluid can get inside the connectors, interfering with the connection. These just need to be cleaned and blown out. Ground wires are also critical. If one of the grounds in the harness is corroded or loose, it can throw things off. It's also a good idea to physically inspect the wiring harness for any visible damage. In some cases, rodents can chew through wires, or the harness can get rubbed or pinched over time. Any damaged spots should be repaired before moving forward. Another possible cause is that one of the control modules has failed. This can also be tricky to diagnose. In many cases, when a module goes bad, the circuit board inside will show signs of damage, like burnt areas or blown capacitors. This doesn't always happen, but it's common enough to check. One simple way to check is to go around the vehicle and smell near each computer module. If you detect a burnt odor, that module could be the problem. Additionally, if you have a good OBD2 scan tool, you can also run additional tests to help narrow it down. For example, if you're getting related codes that point to the ABS module, then there's a good chance the ABS module itself, or the wiring going to it, is the problem. And that's basically it. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.